Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into service mode. Now, to be completely fair, I think it's called actually maintenance mode, but in any case, it is a mode designed for repair purposes. Not your repair, but when you need to hand your device off for repairs, let's say on warranty, because let's say just the screen stopped working. Typically, what we used to have to do for BS reason was wipe our device fully. So factory reset out the device and you hand it off, completely reset it. I believe in certain cases for repairs that they needed to do, this was completely irrelevant, because why the shit would I need to wipe my data for a goddamn battery replacement? Doesn't really make sense now, does it? So I think these services were just being an absolute pieces of shit cunts, deliberately telling you that you need to do this because we have a stick up our ass. And yes, I went through this myself, so fuck them. Like the One Care that Samsung deals with, I believe it is. These absolute douchebags can go kick rocks. So anyway, nowadays Samsung gives us the option to basically tell these douchebags to kick rocks, because you don't need to reset your device to factory settings anymore. You can just navigate into the settings, and we can navigate to device care, and at the bottom you will find maintenance mode. This mode is designed specifically for that purpose. So we're now going to select turn on, restart, confirm your screen lock. We're going to need to wait a moment, and the device will boot up into maintenance mode, and you will see that in about a minute. So now that you can see, device is now in this maintenance mode, and in here we can see we have some gaps in applications. This is because any application that isn't part of like Android, this mode kind of acts a little bit close to what safe mode does. Getting rid of any installed applications, though it does retain some of the Samsung ones, for instance like the camera, which in safe mode they are disabled, but you can see this is pretty barren in terms of applications. There was Chrome browsers, there was some applications, they're all gone from here. But additionally, what it also does is if we open up gallery, you can see in here there is going to be no photos whatsoever. So by all intents and purposes, this phone is completely clean and can be whatever they like service place needs to do to repair it, and whatever bullshit excuse they have to need to access it, it's all here. They will have access to everything that they need to repair your phone, and once that has been done, they will give it back to you in this state, because they don't have the power to leave this mode. Only you do. And that is because to leave this mode, you would need to go back into the settings, and again back into the device care, and again we're going to scroll down to maintenance mode, exit, restart, and you need to confirm your screen lock. Obviously, service place should not know your screen lock. If they ask for it, under no circumstance should you be giving it to them. This is only for you. And this is so you can leave this mode and obviously access your device data. They don't need it for anything. If they have some kind of bullshit excuse, do not give them this. There's no reason they would need it. And you can see we are now back in normal mode. And just to quickly demonstrate it, if we go back into our gallery application, I do have photos in here. So that is basically the purpose of this mode, and it helps us at repairing our devices, handing them off for repairs purposes a little bit easier and less annoying. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.